Hello students, welcome to techniyojan channel. Today we'll see the Python program for your checking of prime numbers. Okay, that is you can say first of all we will take default entry through program. The default entry, as you can say, for a number 3 or 4 we will check whether it is a prime number or not. Then we will take the user you can say entry number from the screen, input screen, terminal screen. We will enter it and check it whether that number is a prime number or not, right? So students, will start this session of prime number checking. So before going ahead, we'll request you to just subscribe this channel, press the bell notification icon so that you can make aware of these videos, okay, that is being uploaded in this channel. And definitely share the video with your friends, students, and like this video if you like it. So we'll start with saving the file. So over here we'll save as prime number, okay, prime number.py. okay, all programs should be you can say start with pi. You have to save with pi, okay, all files, and then save it. Right now it's being saved. Now first of all what we'll do is we will take a num, okay, and actually as usual we take the number variables as num over here, or n you can take, or a number whole you can take, but from the starting series of this Python we are taking number, we are declaring a number variable with num, so I am taking the same. Okay, so first of all we'll check with default number that is being already initialized over here. So for that num, then we'll go to if statement. Okay, first of all we'll check whether this number is you can say a prime or not for 1 and other numbers. As you know that the number 1 is not a prime number, okay, and you can say if it is less than number 1 it is not a prime number, and the number that that you can say divisible by the same number of 1 is a prime number, as you know, right? So you have to take care of this concept for prime number checking first of all. So for that we are implementing over here if num is greater than 1, then what happened? Okay, for that first scenario, then we will put it the else part. If it is not, then it will not be a prime number. So over here we'll take a for loop, okay, for I, that means we are checking the respective numbers after 1. Okay, so 1 you can say in range of, you can say because you know that after 1 the prime number checking it starts actually. Okay, so 2, then this, okay, the num that you have taken, that means 5. Okay, that means from 2 to 5, but not 5 till 4 it will check it out. Why? Because it is the range that we are mentioning over here in for loop, it's num minus 1 actually, right? So now for loop, then again what we'll do is you can say for this we will now check that it is completely divisible by that this iterator I or not. Okay, so if you can say this num is divisible by this I and gives the remainder as 0, that means it is completely divisible, right? So we'll give the colon. So the condition is being checked now over here. Let's give some space so that you will not get confused. Now over here we'll take print, that is the num I have taken is a, you can say is, that means it is completely divisible, right? That means the number that is completely divisible, okay, so that means it is not a prime number, right? So it's not a prime number. Now what we'll do is we'll close this. Okay, now first of all when it checks, then it should come out of the loop, right? That means if the checking has been done, that it has been declared that the number is not prime, then it should jump out. So for that I am taking break statement. Okay, so now for this if it is being completed, because we are taking the break statement and it has been completed over. Now for this we have to take else. If it is not the case, that means the number should prime, right? If it is not prime, then the else part should display the prime. That means the remaining other numbers that we are taken in this range, you can say is a prime number. Okay, is a prime number, right? So now the checking has been completed over here. Okay, now see, this if has been remained to check. So what is, you have checked this, the number from 2 to 4 you have checked. Now what we'll do is we'll take this if else part and we'll say that if it is you can say less than 1, or you may be say it is 1, then it is not a prime number. मतलब minus में रहा तो not a prime number. That means print again this num as is not a prime number. Okay students, so now we have completed this code over here. Now let's see what we'll do is we'll save first. Okay, 1 minute, it is showing as like this. Why it is showing as .log? We have saved it in .py, right? Okay, it has been saved as, see over here, it has been saved as log file. So you have to take all files, so make it sure that while you saving your file, you get check properly that it is .py and all files is selected or not, right? So now see over here, now it is, so the colors were not displaying over here. Okay, if you are using a Visual Studio editor, so when you are using this user defined system defined functions, or you can say keywords, then the color will be there. Okay, so make sure that, right? So now we'll check. Okay, over here some, first of all, some errors are there. So students, let's see what the errors are. Okay, I guess we have made some simple mistakes over here. See, in else we have to give this colon. Okay, again this colon. Okay, and again over here it should inside this loop like this. Okay, so now it is perfect. If, then this, it got break. Now for else, then this if else, it is now being completed over here, right? So I will save it over here. Now I will run. See, you can say 5 is a prime number. Right? So now we'll check for 6. We will save it again. We'll do this, run. See, 6 is not a prime number, right? So now check for the input user entry numbers. Okay, so for that we will take an, you can say integer, you can say type, that to check the user entry number. Enter, first of all it will come in the double quotes. Okay, enter the number like this. Okay, so now it is being done as enter the number, integer format, it will store in the num, and till that num -1 it will check from 2. Okay, that means it is a user entry number. Now we have done, previously we have done a particular initialized number within the program. We have checked the prime number for that. Now we will check, see over here, and now it is asking enter the number. So first of all we'll check for 12. So see 12, that you know that it is perfectly divisible by 2. So why should the answer will as prime? It is not prime, right? So now again we'll check for run code. You can say 7. Okay, see over here 7 I have entered, or I will give a space. See, now it shows 7 is the prime number. Okay students, so see, we have done with the prime number part today with initialized, predefined initialized, you can say value of that number variable, that is to check prime, and you can say a user entry also from the screen output terminal, and we have checked this prime number. Okay students, so I guess you understood this. If you didn't understood anything, then please comment below in the comment section of my class 12 and my, you can say, schooling section if they are watching this video. Okay, so till then I will request you once again that subscribe the channel Techniyojan and press the bell notification icon so that you can receive the notification for the recently uploaded videos of this Python, who are interested in watching these videos and take some knowledge from this. And definitely share with your friends, students, these videos so that they can make help from this videos, and then if possible like this video so that I can get some motivation from this. Till then, thank you, have a good day.